Most traders won't believe what I'm about to show them. I make an average of $4,000 trading NQ on just one time frame and taking only one trade per day for 30 minutes, then I close my laptop. Here we have 5 days last week. Same setup, same time, 100% win rate and 20k in profits. And also here are the stats for the last 3 months. So I will start the 7-minute timer, and by the time it ends, you know exactly where to enter, where to place your stop loss, where to place your TP, and how exactly to execute the strategy to have results like this. Now let's go to the charts. You can see here all the trades that I took on NQ last week, 5 out of 5 with 100% win rate. Now let's dive deep into the strategy. Before doing anything and before market open, I always check my bias for the day. I use my custom indicator to do that. These are these 3 EMAs that you see here. These are simply the higher time frames EMA into the 5-minute charts. You can copy my settings here. I'm using 3 EMAs. All of them are 50 EMAs period. The 15 minutes, the 30 minutes, and the 1-hour time frames. All the big institutions always keep an eye on these EMAs. You see how the price respect them? If these EMAs are stacked, I'm pointing up. I only look for buys. If these EMAs are stacked, I'm pointing down. I'm only looking for sells. If these EMAs are flat like this, I simply don't take a trade. This is my entire bias in only 5 seconds. Now let's get to step 2. After defining our bias in step 1, we need to see a counter trend plus an FEG. This day is obviously bullish. We need to see a counter trend like this and an FVG inside a counter trend. Let me play the candles forward so I can show you the FVG. We are obviously here bullish using these 3 EMAs. Now we can see an FVG formed here in a counter trend. That means we are bullish, but we are pulling back right now. Let me quickly remove this. This is step 2. We need to find this FVG inside the pullback. Now let's play the price forward. And here is the third step. If we invert this FVG, that means if the price breaks through this FVG in the direction of the trend, that means we go in, we put our stop loss under the swing low, and we target the previous liquidity. If we have none, we go for a 2R and we trade the continuation. Let's play this trade out. Easy TP. I promise you, if you simply execute this strategy every single day, you don't need 2 years to be profitable with trading. You just need to master this exact strategy and forget about all the bullshit you hear from the demo gurus. Now, let me give you another example. We can clearly see that the EMAs are stacked pointing up, so our bias will be bullish. This is the first step. The second step is we need to look for a counter trend and a fair value gap inside this counter trend. We can clearly see that we have a fair value gap here in this counter trend. This is a pullback slash counter trend. We have an FVG inside it. This is step 2. Now all we need is for the price to break this fair value gap. Let's play the price out. And here is step 3. Price broke the fair value gap. We go in, we place our stop loss at this candle, and we target 2 Rs. Let's play the price out. And a TP hit. Easy as that. Make sure if you have any questions to drop them in the comments below. I will make sure to answer each one of you. Now let's go back into another example. Before I forget something, the counter trend can happen before or after the market open. It doesn't matter. As you can see here on Wednesday, I took a trade based on this fair value gap right here. After market open, I noticed that this fair value gap wasn't inversed yet. That's why I did go in, place my stop loss under the EMA, because after 9:30 candles, price moved too violently. That's why I placed my stop loss under the EMA right here, and I targeted 2 Rs because we don't have any previous liquidity here on the left. This trade was from Wednesday. We can check it out. This is the trade right here. These are the trades that I showed you earlier in the video. Let's go to the previous day. You can see here market open is right here. We can zoom in. We can clearly see a small counter trend right here, an FVG inside this counter trend. It was inversed by this candle. I did go in and targeted 2 hours because obviously we don't have a previous liquidity. This trade was on Tuesday. Let's go to Monday. We can see here market has opened right here. We are obviously bullish because price is above the EMAs and they are stacked up. I waited for this counter trend here to happen. We have a clear fair value gap inside it. Price broke this fair value gap. I did go in, placed my stop loss under this wick right here and targeted 2 hours. This was a trade from Monday. You can clearly see this is a trade from Monday. This is a trade from Tuesday. This is a trade from Wednesday. This is a trade from Thursday. And this is a trade from Friday. 5 back-to-back trades. Like I always say, no cherry picking, no picking just one trade that looks good one time per month. I trade this every single day. But although I had a 100% win rate on this week, I had a couple of losses last week. And here are my stats for the last 4 months. 75% win rate. These are my stats for April. $41,000, 83% win rate, 10 wins and 2 losses. And now let's go to the chart to do a quick recap. Step 1. Every single time you come to the market, you need to define your bias. If these EMAs are pointing up, you go long. If these EMAs are pointing down, you go short. If these EMAs are flat, you don't trade at all. Next, you look for a counter trend. That means if we have a bullish trend, we look for this pullback right here and we look for a fair value gap inside this pullback. Step 1 is done. Step 2 is done. For the third step, we wait for the price to invert this fair value gap. That means price needs to break this bearish fair value gap that was created right here. After breakout, you go in, you put your stop loss under the swing low or under the previous candle. You either target previous liquidity or simply 2 hours. That's the exact same strategy I use every single day. That's the entire setup. I'm only taking one trade per day on the 5-minute chart and only following these 3 steps. I'm 100% sure that every single one can learn this and be profitable under a week. If you want to see every trade I take, wins and losses, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and see you on the next one.